Hi, I will show you how to build these amazing floating shelves from my own pine tree. I chopped the tree with chainsaw and formed a plank board approximately 5 cm thick. Few months later, after the plank had dried, we can start making shelves. The plank is full of gaps and irregularities made with chainsaw, so I'm using the planer for removing them. The surface is now changing to this beautiful pine wood color. You can use all different kinds of wood for this project. These are measures for my shelves. Now I will transfer the measures and mark them on the plank. With circular saw, I will cut the plank into 3 pieces and shape them into a square form. If you don't have all the tools for the job, you need to improvise. As you can see, I don't have the clamps, so my dad is helping me to hold the plank steady. Also, you can use a handsaw for cutting if you don't have the circular saw. It's quite harder, but it can be done. After forming 3 shelves, I'm sanding them to get the clean and smooth surface. First, I'm using the belt sander and then the vibration grinder. To get the extra smooth surface, use the higher grit sanding papers. It's time to make 3 holes on the wall facing side, 20 mm in diameter, depth of around 8 to 10 centimeters. After the holes has been drilled, we need to cut that side of the shelf. This must be thick at least 4 centimeters. Now our shelf consists of 2 main parts. Everything is set for varnishing. I think the easiest method is with spray. Evenly spray the shelf with all the sides and let it dry until tomorrow. For assembling 2 main parts of the shelf, we need a wood stick. I'm using ordinary nail to transfer the depth of the holes onto the stick. This is how cut out part of the stick looks like. I cut it with precision saw. This is the side of the shelf that will be attached to the wall. Mark the drill bit and start drilling. Place the wall plugs into the wall, level and assemble the shelves. And this is it. Amazing floating shelves. Thanks for watching.